first of all, if you put x is equal to 0, then we got sine 0, that is 0, and that is 1 to power cot 0. Cot 0 is also, cot 0 is infinitive. Okay, clear or not? So 1 to power infinity type. So we take, how can do it this type of problem? 1 to power infinitive type. Okay, so we take this type of problem do with the help of log. Take log both side. That is, suppose that this one is equal to y. It means limit x tends to 0. So taking log both side, then log y, this will equal to limit x tends to 0. That one is written as cot x into log of sin x plus cos x. Clear or not? So how can do it? Limit x tends to 0, that is log sin x plus cos x whole divided by tan x. Okay, that is log y. Clear or not? Now, if differentiate with respect to x, then we got 1 by sin, the upper part is cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. Sorry, this one is sin x plus cos x whole divided by sec square x. And here limit x tends to 0. Clear or not? Now, if put x is equal to 0, then we got, that is cos x is cos 0 1. You can put here simply cos 0 minus sin 0 divided by sin 0 plus cos 0 into sec square cos square x. So cos square cos 0. Okay, that is 1. So simply you got 1. So log y this equal to 1. So y this equal to e to power 1. So you can say that final answer is E is the right answer. If any doubt, then comment it. I will discuss again. That is question number 4. This is the question number 4 of your tutorial IIT-JEE Foundation. Okay.